If you want to work in data science or machine learning, you will use NumPy. It is the main library for working with numbers in Python. Most machine learning libraries use NumPy arrays to handle data. So before going deeper into machine learning, it's important to understand how NumPy works. In this video, we will do two things. First, understand what NumPy actually is. Second, install NumPy properly. Let's understand what NumPy is. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It is the core library for numerical computing in Python. At the center of NumPy is one main object, ndarray, which means n-dimensional array. This array can represent different types of data depending on its dimensions. 1D data like a simple list of numbers, 2D data like a table with rows and columns, 3D data like an image with height, width and color channels. Even higher dimensions used in machine learning for batches of data or complex data sets. NumPy is built around the ndarray, but it also provides many useful operations. Mathematical operations like add, multiply, power, linear algebra functions like dot product and matrix multiplication, statistical functions like mean, median, and standard deviation, random number generation, sorting and indexing tools, reshaping and dimension handling. All of these operations are designed to work efficiently on arrays. That's the foundation of NumPy. Before moving ahead, let me quickly show you a simple NumPy array. This creates a NumPy array. We will explore this properly in the next video. Alright, let's install NumPy properly. If you are working on your local machine, I recommend creating a virtual environment first. This keeps your projects isolated and avoids version conflicts. In your terminal, create a virtual environment by running this command. If you are on Mac or Linux, use this command to activate virtual environment. If you are on Windows, use this command to activate virtual environment. Since I am using macOS, I will run. Once the environment is active, install NumPy by running. If you are using Anaconda, run this command. If you are inside Jupyter Notebook, run this command. Now let's verify the installation. I will create a main.py file and in that file import NumPy as np. Then print NumPy version number. Save this file and run code using this command. If you see a version number and no error, NumPy is installed correctly. Many machine learning environments already include NumPy, but it's always better to check. So in this video we covered what NumPy is, what ndarray represents, how NumPy handles multidimensional data, and how to install NumPy properly. In the next video we will understand why NumPy arrays are different from Python lists and why they are much faster for numerical work. Thanks for watching. I am Aksa Zafar and on MLTude I teach data science and machine learning in a simple step-by-step way. Practice a little and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTude for more AI and machine learning tutorials.